Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to change Shopify store language. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So from your admin panel, you need to head over to your settings from the bottom left. Here you can see we have various options showing up. So simply head over to your languages section, and from here you can add a language. Currently I have added English as default, and now you can click on add language. Select your language, whatever you would like to add: Chinese, Dutch, Filipino, French. Everything is pretty much available in here. Once you're satisfied with that, you will be having your store in different language. If you want more videos, you can head over to our channel, and that's how you can change Shopify store language. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.